Now, we can move on to create a hero section in the homepage. A hero section, also known as a hero image or hero banner, is a prominent and visually impactful section that appears at the top of a web page. It is typically the first thing a visitor sees when they land on a website and plays a crucial role in capturing their attention and conveying the overall message or purpose of the web page. It is usually placed at the top of the page and is intended to capture the viewer's attention and create a positive first impression. The hero image is designed to be visually striking and aesthetically pleasing, often featuring high-quality photography or graphics that represent the brand, products, or the overall theme of the store. It should be eye-catching and create a positive emotional response. The hero image is an excellent opportunity to showcase the brand identity and establish a strong connection with the target audience. It should align with the store's branding elements, such as colors, typography, and overall style. The hero image can be used to showcase featured products, new arrivals, or special promotions. It can entice visitors to explore further and create a desire to learn more about the products or services offered by the store. A hero image often includes a prominent call to action button or text such as "Shop now, learn more," or "Get started." This encourages visitors to take action and engage with the store, driving them towards the desired conversion or goal. To design a compelling hero image, start by understanding your brand and target audience. Choose a high-quality image that aligns with your purpose and evokes the desired emotion. Consider composition, layout, and visual hierarchy to guide attention. Use legible fonts and concise text to convey your message, highlighting key information and a clear call to action. Select colors that complement your brand and ensure sufficient contrast for readability. Optimize the image for responsiveness across devices. Regularly update the hero image to stay relevant. Now, we are going to design our hero image. Similar to designing logo, we will use Canva to design the hero banner. Visit the Canva website www.canva.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage. Click on the Custom Size button. The best pixel size for a hero image in Shopify can vary depending on the specific theme and design of your Shopify store. However, a commonly recommended pixel size for a hero image is around 1,600 pixels wide by 900 pixels tall. Here, we enter 1,600 for width and 900 for height. Then, we click Create New Design. In the search bar, type Hero Image to find relevant templates. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates that you can choose from. Browse through the template options and select the one that best suits your needs. Canva provides a range of templates designed for different purposes, industries, and styles. Select a template that aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey. Once you've chosen a template, you can start customizing it to fit your specific requirements. For example, I will choose this template. Now we will edit the template. Click on the text elements in the template to edit the headline, subheadline, or any other text. Modify the text content, font style, size, color, and alignment to match your brand and message. Now I will delete the text boxes because I want to have a button here later. Next, we will edit the photos. I first delete the photos in the template. Then we will upload our own images. Drag and drop the images to the template. Once you've made the necessary customizations, preview the final design to ensure it looks the way you want it to. If you're satisfied with the result, click on the Share button and choose the file format. I will choose PNG. Then click the Download button to save the design to your computer. We have designed the hero banner. You can then upload the image in Shopify. From the Shopify admin panel, select Themes. On the Themes page, you will see your current theme displayed. Click on the Customize button next to it. In the Theme Customization panel, you will find various sections and options to customize your theme. On the left menu, scroll down and click Add Section. Select the image banner. This will open up the customization section for the image banner. Click on Image Banner. Then, click Select Image. A dialog box or a media manager will appear, allowing you to upload an image from your computer or choose an image from your Shopify media library. Click Add Images. Select the image that we have created using Canva. Click Done. The banner will appear on the homepage. On the left menu, scroll down to adjust the banner height. We will choose Adapt to First Image such that the image can suit the mobile layout. You can also adjust the image overlay opacity. In our case, I will maintain the opacity at 0%. Next, we disable the Show container on desktop. The container will then disappear on our banner. Some themes offer animation or transition effects for image banners. These effects can add visual interest and make your banner more dynamic. Explore the customization options to see if you can add any effects to your image banner. In our example, we will not choose any image behavior. Next, go back to the menu. Since I don't want to have any text on the banner, I will disable the text option. Next, click on Buttons. In default, there are 2 buttons on the banner. In the first banner label, we enter a call to action text, Shop Now. For the link of this button, we select Collections and All Collections. The button will be linked to all collections. Since we only need one button, we delete the second button label. The second button will then disappear on the banner. You can also select the Outline Button Style option. In our case, we will not select this. Next, go back to the menu. It's crucial to ensure that your image banner looks great on mobile devices as well. Click the mobile button at the top left corner. You can see that the Shop Now button is at the bottom of our banner. However, I want the button at the center of the banner. Click Image Banner at the left menu. Scroll down to disable the Show container on mobile option. Next, go back to the menu. Drag and move the image banner section to the top. We will then see that the hero banner has been moved to the top of our homepage. After customizing the banner, click on the Save button to apply the changes to your website. Preview your website to see how the image banner looks. If you are satisfied with the result, you have successfully created an image banner in Shopify. If you want to make further changes to the banner, you can go back to the Theme Customization panel and adjust the settings accordingly. That's it! We have now created an image banner in Shopify.